How to crop videos on CapCut. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application CapCut. Tap on New Project. It'll open up your gallery. From here, select any of the video that you want to crop. Let's say I want to crop this video. Tap on Add at the bottom right corner. The video will upload here. Let's say you want to crop this video and make this video to landscape. First of all, click on this video. Tons of different options at the bottom will be visible to you. Slide all the way to the left and then click on Transform. Now you have to select Resize. It will land you on the page where you'll be able to crop the video. So what you want to do is, you simply have to resize the video from here. You can resize it according to your need. Well, the aspect ratio will also be visible to you. Let me resize it to landscape. Once you are done with resizing, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen. And there you go, your video has been cropped successfully. Now you can edit this video with all of this feature at the bottom. And if you want to save the video, tap on Export at the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can crop the video on CapCut. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.